Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying compatibility. Not every Redmi and MIUI build includes always-on display. Once done, make sure battery isn't in a power-save mode and that the screen type supports AOD. Open Settings, search Display, and tap Always-on Display. This is the immediate action. You do this because MIUI can hide AOD when battery saver or incompatible hardware is detected, so clear those blockers first. Now proceed to the Customization menu to pick Style and Schedule. You'll now customize how AOD looks and behaves. Tap Style to pick clock, image, or minimal text. Preview each option so you understand visibility and power trade-offs. Then choose Schedule, always on for constant display, night hours to save battery, or set custom times for your routine. Make sure to enable notifications and app shortcuts if you want icons or quick actions shown. This requires permission. These choices balance aesthetics versus battery life, so adjust accordingly and test the view. You're at the finish line. Toggle Always-on Display on, then lock the phone and glance at the screen to verify the chosen style and notifications appear. If you don't see AOD, make sure ambient display isn't conflicting and that Do Not Disturb lacks override. Once verified, adjust brightness and timeout for balance. If things go wrong, reboot the device, check for MIUI updates, and disable battery saver or background restrictions for settings. This single troubleshooting step resolves most AOD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.